Okay, let's start.
Yeah, hi Harry, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear.
Yeah, okay, sure.
Hi guys, welcome back to Indian Football Supporters YouTube channel podcast. Today we are going to preview ATK Mohan Bagan for ISL Season 8. Here with me is Rohan. If you wanted to join me like this, please contact me through Instagram. Okay, let's start preview.
Yeah,
Rohan, what do you think about ATK Mohan Bagan performance in AFC Cup, especially with FC Nasaf?
yeah, hi everybody, first of all, and yeah, coming to AK Mohan Bagan and AFC Cup, I think they were pretty average, Coming to the first game with BFC, they didn't have a lot of possession, they kept losing the ball, but but the key player there was Shubhashish Bose, and along with Roy Krishna and Hugo Bumo, these three were getting the ball really well. They're pushing forward and they did quite well. But other than that, they haven't really done much, haven't kept possession, and they weren't the best team if you ask me. And coming to the game against Mazia, they kept losing the ball a lot of times as well. They didn't keep much possession, and Mazia is not the biggest club,
Yes,
and so they kept losing the ball, and they kind of suffered against Mazia without Bumu, and against Barcelona Kings they didn't do good as well because they were only 10 men. And against Nasaf they suffered a big loss, which wasn't so good either.
yes.
What do you think about the performance, Harish?
Their performance against Nasaf is very poor.
Yeah, it's
Their
very poor.
defense, after conceding first goal in start of the first half,
Yes,
they collapsed.
totally collapsed. Even
Yes,
their players like Pritham Kotal, the most trustworthy players, even they didn't do good either.
yes.
Yep.
Antonio Lopez Habas had to change his tactics for ISL. If they play
Yeah,
this tactics with in ISL clubs can easily defeat ATK Mohan Bagan.
that's true. Yep.
After ATK Mohan, other ISL clubs can watch the ATK Mohan Bagan match against Nasaf and they can analyze how to defeat ATK Mohan Bagan easily.
Yep, that's true. Their caliber has really fallen down since the last 3 4 games, to be honest.
Antonio Lopez Habas was hoped to win, but team was
Um,
considered 6 goal.
yes, Nasaf is a really quick team. They're transitioning from defense to attack. It was really fast, and Habas tactics, which was long ball spammage. I mean, it really didn't work out that day. But I believe ATK Mohan Bagan will really bounce back well, by the time ISL starts, because looking at the squad, they have a lot of potential, and I think they are gonna bounce back. Let's see.
They really missed Sandesh Singh and Thiri in AFC Cup.
Yes, that's true. Their best defensive duo, they miss them a lot.
When we came to the new Indian signings, which signing you like most? Mostly
Yes,
like
coming to Indian signings, what I liked the most was Liston Colasso. He's really pacey. He can dribble players. We've seen him against Barcelona Kings. He kept dribbling a lot. Even though he lacks finishing, his dribbling ability is really good. And Liston Colasso and Amrinder Singh have been the big names.
ATK Mohan Bagan's goalkeeper department is weak. Only Amrinder Singh is good goalkeeper for them.
Yes, ATK Mohan Bagan, they don't have a good backup as Arindam left. I mean, Arindam leaving is a good choice for Arindam because, he might be the bench warmer as Amrinder Singh is always the first choice. When you got a player like Amrinder Singh, he's definitely going to start. And yeah, they don't have a backup, but I believe Amrinder Singh will do the job.
Are you surprised after ATK Mohan Bagan announcing signing of Hugo Bomas?
Yeah, I was quite shocked. Before some of my friends, they are Mumbai City fans. They told me that Hugo Bomo will leave for ATKMB. I didn't really believe them, but after all, like breaking transfer fee as well. So it was shocking to see Hugo Bomo go to ATKMB all of a sudden. And I think it's a great transfer for ATKMB, even though it involved high transfer fees, which was good for Mumbai City, who can regroup. But it's a really good transfer and was quite shocking as well.
Mumbai City FC gave Amrinder to ATK Mohan Bagan. What do you think about it?
Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Yeah, could you repeat your question once?
Amri, Mumbai City FC given Amrinder and Bombers to ATK Mohan Bagan. What do you think about
Yes.
it?
Mumbai City, they've been giving a lot of players outside. Many of their players leaving the key players like Sugar Bumu, Amrinder Singh, and it's quite risky from Mumbai City. It's a risky move, but I believe they've signed their replacements like Cassio Gabriel and Igor Angulo, but it's risky. It's quite risky always. They've even lost players like Lefondra and Obeche as well.
What do you think about Antonio Lopez Habas bus parking strategy tactics?
Well, I don't think it would work out for long term. He's a really defensive coach. He's like Carl Squadrat, if you ask me. A lot of long ball spammage, and if you score a goal, sit back and defend. These sort of coaches, they don't really last for a long time, because we've seen Carl Squadrat get sacked, and even Habas tactics, it's not really that good. It's not really appreciated, and he better change that when ISL starts if he wants to, put ATKMB in the top four in the long run.
Michael Susaraj was returned to ATK Mohan Bagan after an injury. He have capability to increase speed of attacking of ATKMB.
Yes. Yeah, surely Michael Susayaj, he's a really good talent. He has pace, he has dribbling skill, he has finishing, he has almost everything, and he's almost the perfect winger ATKMB would want. And yeah, he's really gonna help ATKMB next season along with Liston Colasso as well, who's another big name. Yeah, I think it's really good. It's really good that he's back, and yeah, everything sorts well.
What do you think this season Roy Krishna have can win this Golden Boot?
Yes, the season, as usual, you've seen Roy Krishna. He's already proved himself in ISL. He's been one of the top scorers since last 2 seasons. He deserved the Golden Boot this season as well, but it's gone to Igor Angulo, unfortunately. And next season as well, Roy Krishna, he might do good, and he's a good contender for the Golden Boot along with a lot of new players. In ISL, we've seen a lot of new players, and yeah, I think Roy Krishna would be a good contender for them.
What are the changes had to do ATK Mohan Bagan for next AFC Cup?
You mean ISL?
Next AFC Cup.
Okay, next AFC Cup. If you ask me, the first change would be changing Antonio Lopez Habas unless and until the tactics get better, because we've seen his tactics. It wouldn't really work out in big games, against big and fast clubs like Nasaf FC and all that. It wouldn't really work out. You would most likely want to appoint coaches like Juan Ferrando and Albert Roca, who were absolutely extraordinary in Asian competitions, especially Albert Roca taking AFC to 2016 finals of AFC Cup. He did the impossible, and Juan Fernando as well. He's been doing really good in ACL. So you need these kind of good attacking coaches who would use the opportunities of ATKMB well, and who would analyze their players, and who would give chances to young potential players. I think the main mistake ATKMB is doing is benching a lot of talents, which is not really good. It's better to always give chances to all those talents who they deserve a chance as well, and giving them a chances, developing them, that would be good, I think.
Then what change they had to bring this ISL season 8?
It's the same chance who deserve it, like Liston Colasso, Michael Susaraj. They are the ones who deserve the
Rohan,
chances.
Rohan,
Yes.
can you
Yes.
tell again?
Oh, could you hear? Did my
Can't
voice break or something?
break.
Okay, wait. I'll repeat my the same thing. Okay, so what I think is for season eight, as I said, they need to give chances to the young potential players and the ones who deserve a chance, like Christian Colasso, Michael Susaraj, and those people. What do you
Yes.
think?
They had to use them properly. They had to
Yes,
utilize their capability, their skill.
yes, you're right.
Antonio
They
Lopez,
have, yes,
Antonio Lopez Habas had to increase the technique of the team. of the
Yes,
Indian
right.
players.
Yep, you're right. They have a lot of talent, you know. They should analyze it and use it in the right way. Then it would be good.
Sumitrati was not getting chances. What do you think about it?
Oh, Sumitrati last season, you know, he was really suffering for game time to an extent where he even wanted to leave ATK at a point of time. But although he got good chances in the EFC Cup, which is a positive thing for him, he's been doing good. You know, that's what I'm talking about. The young players like Sumitrati, they deserve a chance and they're definitely going to do good. Like Sumitrati, he did good in EFC Cup. We have to agree with that.
ATK Mohan Bagan was tried to sign Sahal Abdul Samad from Kerala Blasters by giving
Yep, yep,
three ATKMB players to Kerala Blasters. It will be
yes.
good choice for ATKMB.
I think it would be good for ATKMB. Sahal has a lot of him, seen him trying to grow and play BFC, but Kerala Blasters, you know, their squad hasn't been supporting him much due to lack of good players or something, their issues. And the ATKMB have offered literally three players, you know, for Kerala Blasters to get Sahar Abdul Samad, which is quite huge. And Kerala Blasters have turned down the offer. But if Sahar Abdul Samad comes to ATKMB, I think it would be good for him and ATKMB. And I think he would get the game time he deserves. And he's a really good player with good potential.
Yes, yes. Apuya also
Yes, even
have.
he was good.
What
Yes,
do you think about this year lineup of ATK Mohan Bagan? Can you hear me, Rohan?
yes, I can hear you. So this year, ATK Mohan Bagan, I think they will start with Amrinder, which is obvious. And coming to the defense lineup, right back would be Sumit Rathi, centre back Pritam Kotal, and along with Tiri as a centre back as well. And coming to left back, I choose Shubhashish Bose. And by the way, I have a doubt. Ashutosh Mehta is a right back, right?
Yes.
Yeah, then in that case, I think Ashutosh Mehta will be the right back for ATKMB and not Sumitrati. And coming to midfield, I think ATKMB would choose Joni Kauko and along with Hugo Bumu as well, and another player like Lenny Rodriguez. And in their attack, I think it would be Michael Susaraj, Roy Krishna, and along with Liston Colasso.
What do you think about Manveer Singh in this lineup?
Oh yes, I forgot Manveer Singh. Liston Colasso is basically a left winger, so right winger Manveer Singh, centre forward Roy Krishna, along with left winger who would be Liston Colasso um or who is that? Susai Raj. Yep.
Okay, okay.
I have a question for you, Harish. Do you
Okay.
think Antonio Lopez Habas should get sacked or he deserves another chance in ISL and for ATKMB?
According to me, had to get sacked because
Yes, that
he was still with club, still with club with so many years.
yes.
Had a big defeat against NASA FC also.
Yep. Even I have the same opinion, you know. But I think just one defeat won't do him much. But let's see, who knows?
But yes, yes. Maybe ATK Mohan Bagan management wanted a attacking coach.
Yeah, attacking coaches usually they are the ones who last long.
Who knows? ATK
Yeah,
Mohan Bagan management have capability by resign Juan
basically,
Fernando.
yeah, 8K Mohan Bagan is like a team, you know, who wants to steal everyone whomever they find. Like you
Yes.
find someone a good talent, you know they're basically with their money and with their power, they go by them. That is how they've been a big club.
What do you think about performance of Johnny Coco in AFC Cup?
Oh, he's one positive for FC Cup in Johnny Kauko. He's been really good. I think he's been winning balls against Nasaf FC, which was quite rare to see from other players. He's been getting the ball, moving it. The transition has been good from him, and he's been passing it up front. He's been doing things really quick, and he was one positive player to be noted in this AFC Cup. And I think he's going to be a star for next season as well.
Yes, against NASA FC, he only played with
Yes,
positively, and
I agree.
his ball touching touches was amazing.
Yes. Yes, that's true. He was really amazing against Nasaf FC.
Yes.
To be honest, their whole squad, against Nasaf FC, they collapsed. They completely collapsed. Trustworthy players like Phil Tired, they haven't done good. A lot of dispossession, couldn't keep possession, and only Johnny Coco was the positive player to be noted, according to me.
I was laughed while Roy Krishna got ball from counter
Yeah,
attack and falling
that's
down
true.
automatically.
He's been doing, yeah,
David Williams and Roy Krishna done this against
he,
NASA.
that's true, man. Because Roy Krishna, he's a player who usually uses body strength and all that, but he was too slow for Nasaf FC. Nasaf FC was
Yes.
really fast, and they could steal the ball away from him in seconds.
Yes.
He's been quite bad against Nasaf FC. But coming to ISL, I think in ISL it's not such a competitive league compared to the league in which Nasaf FC is from, the Uzbek league. So I think in ISL, Roy Krishna would do good.
What will be advantage of ATK Mohan Bagan after coming to ISL after playing AFC Cup? Other clubs not play like
Yes,
other leagues.
yes. So coming back to ISL, Habas, I think by now Habas might have learned his lesson, and he would stop the long ball spammage hopefully. And yeah, coming to and ATK Mohan Bagan, they have the FC experience, so they know the competitiveness, and they will try and regroup after a bad performance.
Yes. What will be the position of ATK Mohan Bagan in table
If
after
you're
this
asking
season?
me, I'm not expecting ATK Mohan Bagan to finish in first this time, but I think they will qualify for the top four. So they finish somewhere around third or fourth, according to me.
Yes.
What do you think?
I, if they perform well, they can finish at least
That's
second
true.
position.
If
They
they,
consider goals like against the NASA FC on ISL also.
yes, it won't be
I
good.
can't say nothing.
Yeah, that won't be good that time.
Okay, guys,
Yes.
video is over. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for
Yeah.
watching.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you, Harish. See you
Thank you. Thank
guys.
you.
See you the next time.